Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can plan an extended road trip in Notion. Notion's a fantastic tool for organizing your ideas, and we'll show you how you can use it for planning your dream road trip in 2025. First up, you'll want to create a new page in Notion. Name it something like Epic Road Trip 2025. Now, this is your hub for everything related to your road trip. It's important to have everything in one place so you can easily find and access your information. Next, you'll start creating different sections within this page. These could include routes, accommodations, attractions, and budget. The reason we do this is to categorize the various elements of your trip, making it easier to manage and update as you go along. Now that we have our sections, let's dive into the routes section. Here, you'll make a list of all the places you want to visit on your trip. You can add photos, descriptions, and even links to places on Google Maps. This helps us because it gives a visual representation and a better understanding of our route. Moving on to the accommodations section, here's where you research and list down all the potential places you could stay. Again, include pictures, prices, and links for more details. This is important because it keeps you organized and helps to avoid last-minute accommodation stress. Next up, the attractions section. This is where you'll note down all the must-see attractions along your route. This could include national parks, landmarks, cities, or even local cuisines that you want to try. The reason we do this is to ensure we don't miss out on any experiences and make the most of our trip. Lastly, we have the budget section. Here, you'll keep track of all your expenses, including fuel, food, accommodation, and attraction fees. This helps us because it gives a clear picture of how much the trip is going to cost and helps us plan accordingly. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to planning your extended road trip in Notion. Remember, the key here is to stay organized and keep updating your Notion page as you continue to plan. Thank you for joining us, and happy planning.